You putting goop in the wiring harness, Wick?
Goop in the wiring harness.
Fun.
Yeah, for whatever reason, Electric Limited gave us goop in one connector and not in the other.
Well, it's Electric Limited. At least they gave you the right fucking harness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did get that.
Yeah, you already did
At least
better
as
than I
far
did.
as we know, haven't gotten to the engine yet, but
we haven't ran it yet. Zooming in.
Try not to get this stuff in my face if I can avoid it.
Yeah, that'd be good.
I probably need to put some more in that guy. That empty hole. I wonder, this is probably just urethane, like RTV or something.
Similar.
I think it's some special shit.
It almost looks like the GM brown gasket stuff.
Yeah, it does kind of.
It's kind of like Indian head.
Mm-hmm.
But thicker.
We have Indian head.
I know. I saw when you bought it.
Yeah. Good stuff.
We're not supposed to call it that anymore.
Oh, yeah. What do you call it now?
I don't know.
Native American head?
Indigenous.
Yeah, the funny
people
thing is that
head?
the Native American people could give two shits.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, it's like everybody else that's all worried about that shit. They're not worried about it. Yeah, that shit's gnarly.
Man, look at that shit. Coops up fast.
Mm-hmm. Hopefully we don't need these empty ones.
Yeah, that's gonna suck if we have to add a circuit later.
Mm-hmm.
Especially with the fender on it. That's gonna really suck.
Yeah, I'm glad that we remembered this before completely hanging the fender.
I guess we could undo it and pull it out.
Yeah, that would probably be the way to do it, but that's. I guess I remember this car on that Galaxy. That's a pain in the ass because it wants to come off on the inside at the same time.
Oh yeah, the Fords always do that.
Mm-hmm.
I know. I had to wrestle a T-Bird back together myself. That sucked ass.
Yeah, unless you got really long arms and you can reach around and get to this point while you're standing here, it's not much fun.
Last time I did that T-Bird, I had Carson with me, so I made him put
Oh,
my
yeah,
under
there
the
you go.
dash and hold it, and he wasn't happy about it.
It wasn't. That's a good part.
It's like, well, that's what happens when you're still really small. Is you can fit in there.
Make yourself useful.
Like I fit under less and less dashes, mainly because I like more and more burritos.
Well, and the idea of like lying upside down, choking on your snot is just not as appealing as it was when you were 25 years younger.
Oh God.
I gotta say, I'm not really digging upside down, contorted under the dash, shit falling in your eyes and your face and all that stuff. That is not as much fun as it once was.
No, those couple weeks where we did it on this car, yeah, that sucked.
Yeah, it did.
Because
And
we're
that
drowning
old
in
dusty
snot.
shit.
Yeah.
Nothing worse than drowning in your own snot. I guess drowning in somebody else's snot would be worse.
Yeah.
All right, I think I got all of them. What do you think?
It looks good. The hole on top is still half open.
Yeah, why does that keep happening? Where's that going?
Gravity. You gotta pack it in there. I mean, that looks pretty good now.
If you just gotta pack it in there, it sticks to the toothpick and comes out.
Damn it.
Skim over. Probably could touch up a couple of these guys since I have some of this left. Grapho 112X. Got a fancy name.
You should Google that.
Yeah. Must be expensive since it comes in this itty bitty little tube.
Or they're cheap.
Oh, that's probably it. This stuff's probably expensive in China.
Oh my God. I can't believe this only took like 5 minutes, but...
Yeah, that's nice. Got a hair stuck in it.
Well, at least it's on the stick and not in the car.
Yeah.
Because then, you know, somebody'd be like, in the future, be like, whose hair is this that did this on the car?
Yeah. Let's check the DNA. Oh, yeah, good move.
Oh, you got it. You got the shit on the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Damn it. All right, we got our left front fender mocked up. It's kind of tight over here, but it's pretty close. So next step, get ready to do the hood. All right, so we've got the hood scoops for the Ram Air and the old hood tach out. All that nonsense is out. We have our new hood tach here. Purdy purdy. Our new hood scoops are here. There's our old ones. Then we got to reassemble all this. Put on our Ram Air chingadera. And then I get to straighten this hot mess out. Ow! Right in my fucking finger. So we had a wonky hole for the Ram Air. So I took and straightened the hole because it's thin sheet metal. And then I took this EB ball peen and just the flat edge of this and straightened her out. Just hammered her nice and flat. So things are coming together. Easy.
My measure is pretty good.
What you doing?
Playing with a protractor, or a divider, not a protractor, to measure for the hole that's missing for our hood tach. Because there's supposed to be a rivet that goes, there's these 2 bolts and a rivet, which I think was really an anti-theft thing.
Probably.
Missing from most restorations, and I can now understand exactly why that is.
Because this is a royal pain in the ass.
Yeah.
So basically, your rivet hole, you're doing your 2 distances, and then wherever those 2 lines intersect, that's our winner.
That's our hole.
That's our hole.
Theoretically.
All right.
Probably got a little oversized on our hole. Just
Give us a little playroom. Oh, look at that. You found X marks the spot.
Yeah. Theoretically.
We shall see.
Well, the devil hates a coward.
Yep, no turning back now.
Pretty sharp bit. I smoked your video.
No, we had to stop.
Man, I think I should use a real drill bit. Like, why is that taking so long?
Yeah, that should have went through already. Ding.
Moved a little bit.
You could kind of actually see it doing the Watusi a little bit. Just a hair though. Hey, Wick,
Hmm.
we were inverted.
Yes. You were.
Top Gun joke.
Clean some of those little boogers off of there and we should be good.
That massive thing of Kleenex that I got from Costco.
Yeah. Look at that.
Are you on the money?
On the money, dog.
Damn, Wick on the money. Good job. You know how to measure things. Most people don't.
Measure.
And now you... What in the hell? What the fuck are you doing?
I think I'm smoking a joint, but I'm not. All right, so once we go live with that, it's there.
Yeah, it's one with it for eternity. Ooh. With correct strap and everything.
All right.
All right, time for your rivet.
Yeah, I think I'll put a little washer under there, Randy. What do you think?
Yeah. Definitely should give nothing instead of washer.
Okay.
All right, moment of truth.
All right. So I got to get it really tight from the bottom.
Got it. Sweet. That's not coming off ever again.
Yeah. Got it pretty tight.
Snug these babies up and you're done.